Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if your legs look like this, all these, and you want them to look like mine, so this is how my legs are looking. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel because we are doing a pedicure to take care of our legs. So welcome back, and now let's start. So we soak our legs in warm water containing soda ash and lemon juice and shampoo. Then after soaking for like 5-10 minutes, it depends with how long you want to soak with your leg. The dead skin allowed your soles, allowed your heels will have softened, and therefore you just need to scrub. So scrub until all the dead skin is out. So if you have overstayed your pedicure and or if your legs were so dry, this is what you get. You're going to get something like this. Can you see the whitish thing? That is the dead skin. But if you have not overstayed, of course you're not going to be having so many dead skin, and therefore you might not be able to see a lot of them. But make sure that you scrub your leg to soften them and to get rid of dry cracked heels. Then after that, just rinse off your legs and ensure that you clean your toenails. Get rid of any dirt that may be allowed your toenails, so get rid of it by using a small brush. You can even use a toothbrush to just clean the toenails, but make sure that you have one specific toothbrush for that. Then after that, use any body scrub to scrub your legs and even the upper part of your leg, just to ensure that you get rid of dead skin on the upper part of the leg, at the same time ensuring that the skin around that area becomes soft and your feet look so good. I assure you, after this you will see the difference and you will feel the difference. Okay, so I've done so many videos on pedicure, different types of pedicure, even jelly pedicure, so please check out my YouTube channel and make sure that you subscribe me by sorry guys, make sure that you support me by subscribe to my channel. Then after that, you rinse off, and the most important part, moisturize your legs. Ensure that you use any body oil moisturizer that you have. Vaseline I would recommend if it's in the evening, so just apply on your legs, your soles, everywhere. And these all my results. I really love these results. Like you can see, my legs look so clean, they are soft. Yeah, so the next thing that I'm going is to wear my socks. So bye bye, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Bye.